How do you find a percent of a number? For example, what is 30% of 50? There are several different methods for solving percent, and mathematically they mean the same thing, but they're often explained differently. And I prefer a method called the fraction or window method because personally I find it easier for solving problems. But you can use either method that we're going to look at here, whatever works for you. So the fraction or window method is called the window because it sort of looks like a window. And you might draw it like a box like this. I'll actually put an equals sign in the middle and the percent here and 100 there and is here and of there. And this is based on the idea of making an equivalent fraction, sort of like when we were converting a fraction to a percent. So what we do is we set it up kind of like this and then we fill in the information. So here it is again. All right, so we're told that the percent is 30. So that's 30%, that's going to go there. And it's 30% of 50. And of generally indicates the base or the total amount. So what we're looking for is this number up here, which is equal to 30% of 50. So to find this answer, what we're going to do is cross multiply and divide. And this should look familiar, so we multiply 50 times 30, and it gives us 1,500. And we're going to divide that 1,500 to get our final answer, which is 15. So that was the fraction method. Now we're going to look at the decimal method. And under the decimal method, what we're going to say is that the word of means the same thing as multiply. So the statement 30% of 50 means the same thing as 30% times 50. We can't multiply a percent, so what we're going to do is start by converting that to a decimal. And if you remember, that means you divide it by 100, so let's get rid of the percent sign. Okay, so now it's 0.30 or 0.3 times 50. And if we work that out, we'll find that that is equal to 15. Both of these methods actually are exactly the same. It's just that in one you multiply first and then divide, and in the other you divide first and then multiply. And you can use whichever method works best for you.